Hello, and thank you for joining me on the Victory Independence channel. This is a part 2 video about investments that I did on the Vision Victory channel. And I just want to talk about my investment strategy. For some time now on YouTube, I've talked about this survive and thrive plan that I've had, being really prudent when it comes to protecting your assets and preparing for the worst, but at the same time making investments into the future. And with my family, I've actually called it the no harm, no foul when just talking about investments. There's a lot of people who just want to talk about investments. So if you're not into investments, this video is not for you. But anyway, I call it the no harm, no foul strategy because if the markets do well in the United States, my portfolio will do really well. And if the United States markets fail, I believe the plan I have in place will succeed and will do really well over the long term. Now, it's true that I may take a hit in the initial collapse of the United States economy, the United States stock market. It will take some time to completely decouple the foreign markets from the U.S. Now, actually, the markets, we've seen a major decoupling since September of 2008. We've seen the Dow Jones kind of veer off down and flat, and we've seen the foreign markets go up like crazy. I'm very bullish on foreign markets. To me, investing in these foreign markets, especially Asia, is like investing in the United States in 1900. It's got a lot of room for growth. One of the examples I use, and I forgot to add it to my seminar, but I'm going to on the next one, is you take a satellite map of planet Earth at night, and you see Europe and you see the United States, the Western world, all lit up with light, and then you see the rest of the world really dark. Well, one day, specifically in Asia, it's going to look like Europe, it's going to look like the United States, and it's going to be lit up with lights. And I want to be involved in that growth. And when you own a stock, when you own a mutual fund, you're literally becoming a business partner with those Asian companies. So whether it's buying a gas company or an electric company or a cell phone company in Asia, I'm a business partner with them and a shareholder. So I am essentially becoming part of that growth, part of that boom, and that's somewhere I want to be. Now, looking at the next few years, things could get rough, so I do back it up with some puts as well as some bear funds. But overall, I'm very, very bullish on the long-term outlook of Asia. I just want to show real quickly my return because I get annoyed by these comments. People go, "Oh, how much money have you lost this year?" And I blacked out the account number and the balance, but as you can see, it is freshly printed from. Hold on, I'm going to try to freshly printed from Fidelity. This is an account I have with CSL Financial. And I printed this on 7/23/2009, or actually I printed it this morning, but mutual funds update the next day. So anyway, this is basically the return from January 2009 to 7/23/2009. That's 27.1%. I think the Dow Jones is up roughly 4%. So when I get these comments, how much money have I lost? None. Because remember, the investments I'm in do much better than the Dow Jones. Regardless, if the Dow Jones is going down or up, I'm making a lot more money than U.S. shareholders. All the growth is in Asia right now, and that's where the majority of these funds are, roughly probably 50 to 60%. Are in Asia, other in natural resources, gold mining stocks. But, I have 3 portfolios. I do want to disclose that. I have one that I manage. That's my trading one, and that's options, and I wouldn't dare try to teach people that. If you're interested in that, I'm sure there's somebody out there who will show you how to do it. Probably Don Harold seems like a very nice man, and he does some good work here on YouTube. But, my other one with Euro Pacific Capital has taken a big hit. It's in stocks. Actually, it hasn't taken a big hit overall. Year to year, it's probably 10 or 11%. But this portfolio is my most successful portfolio for the long-term portfolio. Obviously, my options account does much better. If you're not familiar with options, you're basically day trading and some of those returns are as high as 1,400%. Some even larger at times. Of course, when I had when mortgages were collapsing, returns were really high. Anyway, back to this portfolio. This is managed by CSL Financial, but it's the closest to what I really like. I'm very close friends with Brad, who's runs CSL Financial, and so obviously him and I are constantly strategizing together and hanging out and eating lunch. So that's why I use this portfolio, because with my Euro Pacific Capital portfolio, that's pretty much I've given my trust to Peter Schiff. This one, I've given my trust to CSL Financial, but it's definitely something I've had my hands in, and definitely, something I've been a part of in developing these type of strategies. Now, I don't consult individuals. I do consult other financial planners. Haven't charged any of them. Maybe one day I will. I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to make a point. I don't care if the Dow Jones is up 4%. My portfolios are up between 11 to 27%. My day trading portfolios are up a lot. They're up a lot more. I don't do it nearly enough because I've been really busy lately, but I just want to let people know that I'm not dependent, and when people listen to me, you're not dependent on the Dow Jones going down to make money. We're making money either way. I often talk about gold and silver too. Gold is a store of wealth. Silver is a store of wealth as well, but I'm very bullish on silver, as I've told you guys. And I encourage you to check out my silver video. There's a lot of reasons to be crazy bullish on silver. But anyway, I know everybody was probably waiting for the silver bullet for me to mention the stock that's going to go up like crazy. That's not me. I'm a macroeconomic investor, so I look at the demographics, the spending habits of people, government debt, trade surplus, everything about the economies of individual governments and the industries that I want to be involved in. I believe I can see trends coming by doing this, and what I simply do is I invest in front of the trend. I believe Asia is going to be bullish for roughly 50 to 65 years, and that's because of population data and spending habits. So I am heavily invested in Asia because I believe I am in front of that trend. Anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.